Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll test the video capabilities of Xiaomi Mi 6 smartphone. To do that we'll launch the Antutu Video Tester 3.0. I will let you see the entire benchmark. It will take about 7 minutes. So please be patient.
Dragonlance intel. You are closer than you know.
Okay, the benchmark is over. So, in Antutu Video Tester 3.0, Xiaomi Mi 6 smartphone gets over 1000 points. This firmware version fully supported 20 video and audio different codecs files, partially supported 8 items, and not supported 2 items, which is very good. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.